Hi guys, let me share this to you. In my relaxation mode, I always pray after that busy na pag-scroll na phone. At isa sa pinakamaganda kong narinig sa buhay kong ito, and ma-feel ko yung calm and motivated sa lahat ng mga gagawin at pangarap ko. And it says, if God's will, it is God's will. Last night, during my quiet time with God, He impressed this my heart. Nak, big dream. Lakihan mo, tindihan mo. Dream bigger than the entire of heaven would be so busy working on that request. Dream dreams that are bigger than your salary. Dream dreams that are bigger than your wallet. Dream dreams that are bigger than your resources. Dream that bigger than your capability. Why? Kasi pag nangarap ka ng mas malaki kaysa kaya mong gawin, hindi ka aasa sa sarili mo. Dream big that once it happened, you know that for sure that it is not for you. Will do all the work, but God carried you through. Yes, God, I trust you. I trust your plan for me. I will work hard for it. I know you're with me. It's me. Kaya guys, when we work, but when we pray, God works. Walang sigurado sa susunod na taon at walang sigurado sa susunod na panahon, pero mananatiling tapat sa Panginoon. Be love and be kind. Salamat!